and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my thumbnails, and I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Before we start, I would just like to tell you guys that if you don't have the time to do your own thumbnails, I can make one for you. You just have to DM me here. This is one of my Instagram accounts, and you can message me over there and tell me that you need a thumbnail or a YouTube banner that to do those things for you. Also, I would like to thank all of my genuine supporters because I have finally reached my first 100 subscribers, and to other people it might seem like a small milestone, but to me it's a really huge step in growing my YouTube channel. So thank you to everyone who's supporting me genuinely. So without further ado, let's get started. So Canva is the place that I use to make my thumbnails, and I also use it to make my channel art. So they have this free app on the App Store, but I don't use the app. I use the website itself because it's easier and I don't have any more storage on my phone. So once I get on the website, I look for the words YouTube thumbnail, and then I click on that, and then it's gonna let you pick if you're gonna use a specific template that they have, or just use a blank canvas. I use a blank canvas because we're gonna start from scratch. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this thumbnail and this thumbnail. So first I'm gonna teach you this. It's quite easy. You just choose a background color. Here I'm just choosing any background color that I like. This is good. I like the green one. Yeah, that one. And then here on the photo section, you can look for any pictures. They're all free to use. I mean, not all of them, but most of them are free to use. I search for paper. It's in my recent, so paper. And then I choose this one. It gives that collage vibe, you know? And then I'm going to choose like random pieces of paper that I want on my thumbnail. And then I just resize it to the size I want. The key here is to be as creative as possible until you get the result or the thumbnail that you want. There's no limits for you, just do whatever you want. Now once I'm satisfied with everything that I've put here, like everything I've collaged, I'm now going to this website that removes the background from your pictures, so you wouldn't need to like use Photoshop. So I'm gonna drag my images. Usually I take my thumbnail pictures like during or after shooting a video, but since this is a tutorial, I shot the picture beforehand. Then I'm gonna edit this one because it wasn't like removed properly. So right now I'm just going to drag the pictures that I edited, and then import them here on Canva. Now we're gonna go ahead and click one of them and like see which one is better. Then we're gonna send this to the back. I kind of like this one better since like it has better lighting. And now we have like the basic part of the thumbnail. Now the next thing we're gonna do is put on the text. We are gonna do the lettering one by one. And you're just gonna put the letters wherever you want them, because how it's placed is not what we're thinking about yet. So you just gotta chill and do things one by one. For the fonts, this is where it gets fun. You can experiment with it. I like to use the font Shorthand and the font Berkshire's Wash. I also like the font Arial and the font Times New Roman. Those are like the fonts that I use often. Another great feature of Canva is you can look for fonts. So I want like an outline font. So now I've chosen a font for the word thumbnails, and it's called Chiffon Outline. Now you think it really looks cute. And now for the colors of the letters, we can choose anything. So now that I have figured out the colors for that part, I'm gonna rearrange. Okay, so I just changed the font of the word thumbnails because I just realized that it's not gonna be seen that much if I use the outline font. Okay, so I just settled with the font Shorthand again because I'm that indecisive. I wanted to like make it different, but I guess it doesn't look good in any other font. And now I'm just gonna change the colors. That's how I do the collage thumbnail. And now we're gonna move on to the kind that I always use. Okay, so since we already have the pictures that don't have background anymore, we're just gonna use that. I'm gonna use a bunch of pictures that I have here. So I'm gonna use this picture. So basically my rule here is I just don't want anything to be empty looking. I want everything to be filled in, yet neat. So that's basically how I do it. I just insert like 3 or 4 pictures. Now you can see the color palette over here. That is made by the different images that you put together. Now you can like play around with it. That is basically it. It's very simple yet pleasing to the eye. So like what we did with the first thumbnail, we are gonna do the letters one by one again, and then I'm gonna do this as one word. Now on the element section, we are gonna look for squares. We want the square to surround each letter of the word retro. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change the color of squares. Then we change the font. You want to switch between like the thin and then the bold fonts, so it won't look weird. some thumbnail